Good morning, dear children. Children, today's maths work you will do in your workbook. So, take out your workbook and your pencil eraser. Children, if you have taken out all the things, just open your workbook to page number 53. This is page number 53. Children, this is a new topic for you people. That is single digit addition. Okay, children? And today you will learn addition as combination. What is addition, children? Children, collection of two or more objects or numbers is called addition. Fine? Symbol of addition is this plus and you will read it as plus. Okay? See, in the first picture here two boys are playing the football. Here is written also there are two boys in the field. One boy is also coming here. See what is written here? One more boy comes to the field and he joined them. So how many boys are there in the field? There are three boys in the field. 1, 2, 3. Now there are three boys in the field. Now read this. Count the number of boys in the field. There are 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. How many boys are here? 2. And only one boy has joined them. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And count the number of boys in the field. There are 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 boys in the field. We read it as 2 plus 1 equal to 3. See, it is written here 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Fine? Children, in another way you can learn like that. Big number keep in your mind and smaller number you will keep on your finger. 2 keep in your mind, then count after 2 like 2. Then after 2 you will count only 1 because 1 is there on your finger. So after 2, 3 will come. So answer is 3 here. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. See the next box. There are 2 sandwiches in the plate. Now Mama has put 2 more on the plate. So now count them. There were 2 sandwiches in the plate. Now Mama has brought 2 more here. Okay. So count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this boy is having 4 sandwiches in the plate. So this is the addition. Count the number of sandwiches, which we have done that. And there are 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 sandwiches. We read it as 2 plus 2 equal to 4. See, it is written here 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So children, in this page you have learnt about the addition. Turn the next page. Read this heading. Addition means increasing. Okay. See. Now read the next heading. Combining 2 or more numbers to make one number is called addition. Okay. See this box. There are 4 bike riders. You can see there. Or cyclists. Now 2 more cyclists have joined them. So how you will join? You will put the sign of plus here. Then you will count all cyclists together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 were already there and 2 have joined them. So firstly you will keep this big number in your mind and 2 number keep on your finger. So count after 4. 4, 5, 6. Children, you can do the addition like this also. Is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are 6 cyclists in the ground. 4 cyclists are racing in the school ground. 2 more cyclists join them. Now there are 6 cyclists in the ground. As we have counted here and we have just done the addition of them. Answer is 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we'll read this. Here we combine 4 and 2
we write it as 4 plus 2 equal to 6. We can also write it as 2 plus 4 equal to 6. See, it is written here. Now see the next box. Ali has 5 balloons. Count the balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ali has 5 balloons. Salma gave him 3 more balloons. So it means he was having 5 and Salma has given 3 balloons. We will put the sign of plus. Now we will count all the balloons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is
Equal to 8. Now count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. Now Ali has 8 balloons. Earlier Ali was having 5 balloons. Salma has given him 3 more balloons. Now Ali is having 8 balloons. Okay. So now we will read this also. How many balloons are there with Ali? Ali was having 5 balloons. There are 8 balloons with him. We combine 5 plus 3 together.
We write it as 5 plus 3 equal to 8.
It is also called the sum of 5 and 3. 8 is the sum of 5 and 3. Okay? Now children, we will do the related exercise on the page number 55. This is the addition exercise. Count and write the numbers in the box. Okay? See, one example is already here. 3 plus 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 fishes are there. Now we will add 2 more fishes here. Now we will add 2 more fishes here. After 3 you will count 1, 2, 3. Now 4, 5. 5 is written here. This is the answer of this sum. It means 5 is the sum of 3 and 2. Now come to the next box. Now we will solve this sum. Count the car here on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars here. Now 2 more cars have come and joined them. Now how many cars are there together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 7 cars are there. So 5 number you will keep in your mind. It means bigger number you will keep in your mind, and smaller number, it means number 2, you will keep on your finger and you will count after 5. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 7. It means 7 is the sum of 5 and 2. When we will add 5 and 2, we will get the answer 7 here. Okay. Now come to the next sum. See, there are 4 bananas in the left side and count another bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas are there on the right side. So we will count all the bananas together because we'll have to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will be the answer? 9 will be the answer. So what is the bigger number here? 5 number is bigger. So you will keep this number in your mind.
And the smaller number 4 you will keep on your fingers.
And then you will count after 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. 9 is the sum of 4 and 5. Okay. I am explaining this addition sum through 2 ways. Okay. See how many ice creams are here on the left side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many ice creams are there on the right side? 1, 2 are. So 2 are there. So we will add 6 plus 2. So 6 is the bigger number. So this number you will keep in your mind, and 2 number you will count on your finger. But you will count after 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will be the answer because we have to count all the ice creams together because we have put the sign of plus.
And this is a addition sum. Come to the next box.
See children, there is one kitten on the left side and on the right side there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kittens. So 7 kittens are there on the right side. So 7 is the bigger number. So you will keep this bigger number in your mind, and after 7 you will count smaller number, and 1 is smaller number here. So after 7 we will count only 1. 7, 8. So answer will be 8 here. Now we'll count all the kittens together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we have got the answer 8. So 8 is the sum of 1 and 7. Okay. Now come to the next sum. On the left side there are 2 cell phones, and on the right side there are 6 cell phones. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cell phones are there on the right side. So keep this bigger number in your mind, 6, and count after 6. Okay. Count after 6. 6, 7, 8. So answer will be 8. Now we will count all their mobiles together. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we have got the answer 8 here. Right answer in this box. So 8 is the sum of 2 and 6. Fine. Now come to the next sum. There are 3 candies or toffees on the left side, and on the right side there are 5 candies. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the bigger number. So keep this bigger number in your mind and count after 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 will be the answer. Now we will count all the toffees together in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we have got the same answer 8. So we will write here 8. It means 8 is the sum of 3 and 5. Okay. Now come to the next sum. There are 4 rabbits on the left side and 1 rabbit on the right side. Now we will count all the rabbits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do the addition to the next way. So we will count like this. 4 number we will keep in our mind, and number 1 on the finger. And then we will count after 4. After 4 there is 1 only. That is smaller number. 4, 5. So there will be the same answer 5. We have counted all the rabbits. Then we have got the answer 5. Through the second way we have counted. Then we have got the same answer 5. When we have kept 4 in our mind and 1 on our finger. So after 4 when we have counted. So we have got the answer 5. It means 5 is the sum of 4 and 1. Have you got that? Now today you have learned the addition sums and you have done one exercise here. Children, in the same way you will do this exercise in your workbook and watch this video again and again to learn the addition sums. Thank you. Bye-bye.